For the Goa state as a whole, we received 175 centimeter rainfall with effect from 1st June till date today morning 8:30, and this is against a normal value of 157 centimeter. Actually, this actual rainfall is 11% more than the normal rainfall we have expected.
Okay, how much more Goa is needed?
It is normal rainfall only. That is, normal means if the percentage departure of actual rainfall from normal lies between plus 19 to minus 19, it is within normal. So Goa received the normal rainfall which we expected.
Okay, which is the maximum rainfall location station you have?
Station wise, the station Marmagova reported the highest rainfall for this season, and Marmagova reported 210 centimeter, and the least rainfall occurred at Valpoi, and it reported 140 centimeter.